You can view your entire Snapchat history. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So if you want to see your entire Snapchat history, first what you'll do is you'll go to your browser or your Safari. So you Google Chrome or your Safari, and here you click on accounts.snapchat.com. So here you'll have to log in, you'll have to enter your username and password, and then you will click on the My Data option. So once you do that, this is the data that Snapchat has saved over the years or over the course that your account has existed. So some data is available and best used in the apps, but some of it is saved. So this data includes your personal details like your name, your username, your birthday, memories, data and history, app preferences, snap map settings, all that. Your filters and lenses, so your purchases, in-app purchases. And what you can also download is your device history, your login history where you logged in, your snap history, the received snap, send snap, your public profile, your friends list, your friends request send, your story history, your snap score, your account history, your display name change, everything. So all that is available for download, and what you'll do is you'll enter your email address here and you'll re-enter your email address and you click on submit request, and Snapchat after some time, so this will not be just quick, after a day or two will send all of this data to your email address and you'll open it up in your email. After you submit the request and they send it to you, you'll open up the email and you'll be able to view all the Snapchat history or all your data that Snapchat has provided. So that's how you see your entire Snapchat history, guys.